Okay, so the manager decided to call the contract quick. So for today, we were able to knock 13 bags. Yeah, due to the time now, and I won't be here to be beating it too, so I can get recovered. So now to another put 2 bags and I'm quite already 5:30. So we just using that time now to cut the bush down here. Yes. So like here, picking, doing the work. So I told them anything tomorrow I'm coming. I'll bring out $10. Yeah.